નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, વેદ ડિજિટલ એજ્યુકેશનમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે. આજે આપણે ધોરણ 7 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશના યુનિટ 3ના સ્વ અધ્યયન પોથી વિશેની ચર્ચા કરીશું. જો ચેનલમાં નવા હોય તો ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરજો જેથી આવી તમામ માહિતી મળતી રહે. એક્ટિવિટી 1. નીચે આપેલા વાક્યો કયા વ્યવસાયકાર બોલી શકે તે ઓળખી વાક્ય સામે તેનો વ્યવસાય લખો. પહેલું, show me your driving license. A policeman. Note down the homework. A teacher. Don't shoot in the classroom. A teacher. You should take your medicines regularly. A doctor. I mind shows. A cobbler. Activity 2. Read the following and underline the action word. Write down the action words. Pelu, talk, go, walk, sleep, do, show, know, speak, minds, share, find, say, hand, look, cuddle, lick, tell, understand. Activity 3. Read the following dialogues carefully. Chimanlal says, Jethalal, start doing exercise. Jethalal says, but doctor, I cannot get up early. Chimanlal says, you can do exercise anytime. Skipping and walking are good for you. Jethalal says, walking, I will go for a walk. Pethalal says, I will join you. Chimanlal says, that's fantastic, Pethalal. You can join him in daily walk, but cannot join him for tea. Pethalal says, Doctor, tea is harmful. You know it. Chimanlal says, Pethalal bhai, you can take a cup of green tea. Green tea is good for you. You cannot add sugar it. Pethalal says, can I take milk with sugar? Pethalal says, not at all. No sugar, no, only exercise and seasonal fruits. Now if you doctor, what advice would you give their friends? Eat seasonal fruits, don't eat junk food, do exercising regularly. Activity 4. Read the following action word and class link them according to given table. Write D. Daily activities, R or regular activities, and H. Habitual activities in the brackets. Pelu છે daily activities. Take a bath, play a game, drink milk, brush teeth. R. Regular activities. Eat chapati, do homework, ask questions, help friends, water the plant, go to school. H. Habitual activities. Read a storybook, dance and sing a song. Activity 5. Read the following paragraph and the answer question. વિડીયોને આગળ વધારતા પહેલા આપણી એપ્લિકેશનની માહિતી લઈ લઈએ. પ્લે સ્ટોરમાં જઈને વેદ ડિજિટલ એજ્યુકેશન નામની એપ્લિકેશન તમે ડાઉનલોડ કરી શકો છો. ત્યારબાદ પેજ ખોલતા એમાં તમારો મોબાઈલ નંબર ડાયલ કરીને સેન્ડ ઓટીપી આપવાથી આ પેજ ખુલશે. તેમાં એક્ઝામ પેપરમાં એકમ કસોટીના દરેક પેપરો જોવા મળશે. આ પેજ ખોલતા દરેક ધોરણો જોવા મળશે. તમે તમારા ધોરણ પર ક્લિક કરવાથી તમારા ધોરણો વિષય જોવા મળશે. વિષય પર ક્લિક કરવાથી તેમના પાઠ જોવા મળશે. પાઠ પર ક્લિક કરવાથી પાઠની સમજૂતી, સ્વાધ્યાય સોલ્યુશન, અભ્યાસ સોલ્યુશન અને સ્વ અધ્યયન પોથીના સોલ્યુશનો જોવા મળશે. વિડીયોને આગળ વધારતા Mr. Shiv Vasavada is scientist. He has a very dear friend named Shankar. Shiv gets up early in the morning. તેમાં પહેલો ક્વેશ્ચન છે, who practice yoga for and her? Shiv practice yoga for and her. બીજો, who makes a tea? Shankar makes a tea. ત્રીજું, when do they leave their house? They leave their house around 10 a.m. ચોથું, what does Shankar drive? Shankar drives the car. પાંચમું, find out the options words in the meaning from the passage. Bad, good, late, early. Activity 6. શંકર ઓફ શિવા ઇન પ્રવૃત્તિના આધારે શંકરની પ્રવૃત્તિઓ લખો. શંકર એક્ટિવિટીઝ. He makes a tea and breakfast. He drives the car and sings a song. He helps Shiv in the laboratory. He plays cricket and chess. He cooks food for Shiv. He charges himself. Activity 7. Write a paragraph. Use the following words. Rampur is a big village. There are primary school, Anganwadi center and high school in Rampur. There is a library in Rampur. There is a Panchayat Bhavan in Rampur. There is primary health center in Rampur. There is a bus stand in Rampur. There is a beautiful garden near the pond. Rampur is sourceable by the farms. એક્ટિવિટી 8. નીચે આપેલા શબ્દોને વાક્યના ક્રમમાં ગોઠવો. પેલું, રેખા watches a movie sometimes. બીજું, they never tell a lie. ત્રીજું, Sunendra does not eat fruits. ચોથું, the students do not play every day. પાંચમું, I clean my hands every day. એક્ટિવિટી 9. અહીં ટેબલના સુજલના ફ્રેન્ડ્સની એક્ટિવિટીઝ વિશે વિગતોમાં આપવામાં આવેલ છે, તેનો અભ્યાસ કરો. John, Shweta and Fatima get up early sometime. Rekha, Priya and Fatima read newspaper is always. John and Sarth do not read a newspaper. Shweta tells a lie. Rekha, Rakesh, Priya, Fatima and Rutu do not tell a lie. Johan tells a lie sometimes. Shweta, Priya and Fatima sing a song. Rakesh does not sing a song. Rutu asks questions to the teachers sometimes. Shweta, John, Priya and Rakesh ask questions to the teacher. Sanvi and Sarth do not ask questions to the teachers. Fatima and Priya help their mother. John and Shweta do not help their mother. Fatima, Priya and John prepare breakfast. Shweta does not prepare breakfast. Activity 10. Write a paragraph on school assembly. School assembly. Our school assembly starts at 11 p.m. 11 every day. The students sit in a choir. At first we practice yoga, then we sing a prayer. A student from class 6 to 8 reads headlines of newspaper. A student from class 3-5 tells a story. A teacher delivers the thought of the day. A student from class 6 to 8 asks a quiz and other students reply him. At last we sing Vande Mataram songs and we go to your class. Gayan Gallery. Animals અને young ones. Cat, kitten, hen, chicken, dog તો puppy, cow તો calf, frog તો tadpole, goat તો kid, lion તો cub, pig તો piglet, rabbit તો bunny, horse તો foal, fish તો fingerling, sheep તો lamb. Thank you.